Over the past several years, DuPont Pioneer has conducted intensive research work in Northeast Iowa to maximize customers' return on their seed investment. This industry-leading program is known as Pioneer's Crop Production Trials, or CPRO. Replicated trials conducted in normal field conditions that run the entire length of the field are used to gather information per hybrid on agronomic impacts of plant population and fungicide response. This data from CPRO will allow me to give you specific recommendations on plant population and fungicide recommendations. Pictured here is a map of the state of Iowa. We had over 70 CPRO locations in Northeast Iowa and over 300 CPRO locations statewide. With this information, we developed a product positioning sheet. Within this sheet, it tells us what particular hybrid that you're requesting. If you'd like to change the hybrid, there's a little drop-down box on the right-hand corner of the hybrid. Select the hybrid you'd like to look at. We go along the top, just talks about days of maturity, whether you need a refuge or not, the product's relative maturity, and then the different GDU numbers that are associated with silking, black layer, and full maturity. We scroll down a little lower. It talks about key environment suitabilities. We have a lot of these different conditions going on out in the country in our fields. It'll tell us if this particular hybrid responds to that or not. HS stands for highly suitable, S stands for suitable, and MA, which isn't located on this particular hybrid, stands for manage appropriately. On the right-hand side are characteristic trait scores of that particular hybrid on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being poor, 10 being good. Below the suitability is our fungicide treatment. Any information that we've gathered over these CPRO locations and responses on a corn-on-corn situation or corn after soybean situation, our yield responses are posted here. And then the suggestion whether to scout first or treat first. As we scroll down the page, on the left-hand side, it talks about corn suitability ratings, which associate to an individual plant population. LT stands for less than 70 CSR, 70 to 85 CSR, greater than 85 CSR. As you can see the yield responses per hybrid, per population, per CSR. This correlates to a graph on the right-hand side considering population along with yield. Yield on the left-hand side, population on the bottom side, where those two axes come together. As we go further down the page, talks about positioning guidance. Where we'd like to see you place this hybrid. Sometimes where management considerations means this is a place where the hybrid we may have a little trouble with, or be a management suggestion not to plant in that type of soil or to avoid those type of soils. Back to the bar graph on the right hand side, these yield levels are associated with seeding rate suggestions that we've come up with over the many years that we've tested this particular hybrid in those types of yield situations or yield environments. And the way in the bottom right hand corner, we talk about talks about the herbicide tolerance of the hybrid. Green means good, adequately tolerates these two particular type herbicides. The red diamond just gives you a response warning. Maybe an over application could have this hybrid would exhibit maybe some type of damage. And then the yellow triangle would be a suggestion maybe not to use that particular herbicide on this hybrid. To find this product positioning sheet, you'll have to go to our website. You'll actually go to the Products tab. You'll go under Corn, and in the middle of the page it says click here to view product positioning sheet. Click there and save it. Either save it to your desktop would probably be the easiest location to do it, which is what I have done. I've just saved it to my desktop, and then when I want to look at it, I just open it up and open it up and select the hybrid I want to look at. I hope this is a useful tool for you.